In this video, I'll show you how to install an ultimate graphics mod pack in GTA San Andreas the Definitive Edition to make the visual look much better than the original game. Check my video description for this mod link. I click on the zip and select WinRAR and select to open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. I click on the game and select open file location. Just go back to game phase. Go back to the Definitive Edition game folder. Before installing mods, pack up your GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the Definitive Edition and open the game phase, content, packs, drag and drop these mods inside this. Now go back to game phase, open the game phase, binaries, Win64 and open the Clio and stuff. Drag and drop all these files inside this Win64, replace the file destination and launch the game. And that's it. Now our GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition will look much better with improved graphics, lighting and textures using this mod pack. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.